who we are and what we do. Hi, we're Closomat. We design, build and install wash and dry toilets for people with disabilities and health conditions. We're driven by the belief that everyone has the right to live their best life, regardless of the challenges they face when using the toilet. It's a belief instilled in us by our founder, who, while visiting Switzerland way back in the 1950s, was inspired by what he described as a fancy throne. Fascinated by the concept in front of him, and excited by the impact he thought it might have on personal hygiene, he returned to the UK and in 1962 founded Closomat. In the process, he became a wash and dry toilet pioneer, and since then, we've become the UK's only specialist manufacturer of wash and dry toilets.